2 of squishy trading. I accept. Wait a second. Let me just pick it up to see if it's real. If it has some weight, then I'll accept. It has some weight and it's a little bit jiggly. Maybe it's the rare. I accept. Thanks. Also, no trade back. Okay, let me just open this. My old stupid homemade squishy. I guess I shouldn't have scammed. I should have asked for help. I'm leaving. Yes, I got all my squishies back. I should go thank that girl for giving me the idea. I'll give her this color-changing neato. Hey, I wanted to thank you. No problem. For giving me the idea, you can keep this neato. Oh no, I can't accept that. You can just have this and keep your neato. Oh, thank you so much. That girl was so sweet. Now I have one extra squishy in my squishy collection. And it's so pretty. I think I'm gonna trade this squishy. I only have this squishy. Maybe someone will trade their squishy for mine. Actually, I want to keep this one. I'll trade this one. I'm getting tired of it. Plus, it's the rare fidget of the month. I'll probably get a couple of trades. And I also really want a glow-in-the-dark squishy. I guess I'll see if anyone wants to trade me. Trading glow-in-the-dark squishy. Going once, going twice. OMG, she's trading a glow-in-the-dark squishy. I'm gonna go ask. OMG me. I'll trade this cute little duck. Plus, it's a rare one anyway. Okay. Thank you. I'm so happy I got a new squishy. I think I'm just gonna sit. OMG, trade with me. I need. Trade with me. No, trade with me. Trade with me. No thanks. I think I'm just gonna go home now. OMG, I'm so glad I got the glow-in-the-dark squishy.